The Xiaomi 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious flagships of the year, and recent leaks give us a closer look at just how far Xiaomi is pushing the limits. Live images show someone holding the phone and immediately your eyes are drawn to the massive new camera setup. Instead of a traditional module, the entire back stretches into a wide camera bar, and it even includes a secondary display. This extra screen, almost like what you'd see on a foldable phone's cover display, features two punch-hole cameras, most likely a main lens and a Periscope telephoto. Below that, you'll spot a smaller ultra-wide lens and LED flash, and of course, the Leica branding that signals Xiaomi's ongoing collaboration for high-end mobile photography. This isn't just a cosmetic tweak. It's a bold statement that the 16 Pro Max is designed to make mobile photography more powerful and more versatile than ever. Under the hood, things look just as impressive. The Xiaomi 16 Pro Max is expected to debut with a brand new 50-megapixel ultra-dynamic Smart Sense 590 sensor. This promises sharper details, richer colors, and a wider dynamic range, pushing the quality of smartphone photography closer to professional cameras. Powering all of this is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, though some sources still label it Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, depending on the report. Either way, it's clear this chip is built to deliver top-tier performance, handling demanding apps, high-end games, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Pair that with Xiaomi's optimized software, and you've got one of the smoothest Android experiences expected in 2025. But what really sets the Pro Max apart is its enormous battery. According to reliable Tipster digital chat station, the phone is packed with a 7,290 milliamp hour cell, which Xiaomi may market as a 7,500 milliamp hour battery. This is nearly unheard of in the flagship segment and could give Xiaomi a massive edge over competitors. It means more time recording videos, gaming, or using that advanced camera system without worrying about charging constantly. Combine that with expected fast charging technology, and users could go from near empty to full in a fraction of the time it takes on most other phones. For heavy users, travelers, or anyone who just hates being tethered to a charger, this upgrade could be one of the biggest selling points. Everything about the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max suggests it's designed to stand out in a crowded market. The wide camera bar with its secondary display offers a unique blend of practicality and innovation, while the Leica branding ensures it appeals to serious photographers. The combination of Snapdragon's most advanced processor and one of the biggest batteries ever in a flagship makes this a device that balances raw power with endurance. With multiple launches expected in October, Xiaomi is likely to reveal the 16 Pro Max around that time. The expected price will be around $999, placing it firmly in the premium category, but loaded with features that could justify every dollar.